Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you are running out of shelf space to put all of your shoes, then I have the perfect solution for you guys. I just recently got these shoe slot organizers from Antigo, and I cannot tell you how beneficial these things have been for me. I cannot believe I didn't get them sooner. So these shelves are 30 inches long, and as you can see, I could only fit 4 pairs of my high heels on each shelf, which I felt like was such a waste of space. But now with these organizers, I can fit 7 different pairs of my high heels all on the same shelf. So they come in a pack of 20, and what's so great about them is that they're adjustable. So I love that I can customize them from 4 different heights. So the smallest height is 2.7 inches, which is perfect for my flats or my sandals. And then it can extend up to 7.2 inches for my super high heels. So I love that I can use these for a variety of my shoes. So I wear a size 7.5 to 8 inch shoes, and these are 10 inches long. So they work perfectly for my shoes, but I also wanted to store some of my husband's 11.5 size shoes on here as well. And as you can see, his shoes do stick out a little bit, but because our shelves are pretty deep, I love that I can use these organizers to hold some of his shoes as well. These organizers have truly helped me to save so much more space. I love that I can store away more of my shoes here, and it helps this area to look way more neat, clean, and organized than before. And I also appreciated that they're made very well. So they're made out of a high quality plastic, so they feel very sturdy. And I really like the fact that it has these bumps on the top to add some texture to the surface, along with these raised edges on the sides and on the end to help prevent your heels or your shoes from sliding off. I have been beyond happy with these organizers, and I think every household could benefit from them. And that's my point of view.